Let's see. Oh, no, did not mean to do that. Oh, well, it's fine. So, let's see. Sounds pretty good. I mean, we could make a couple of changes. Yeah, that sounds good. Just some more steps. What the frick? What the? What the frick? It's literally a freaking car horn. I did not mean to do that. Why is it a car horn? Wait. What if I can theoretically. Beautiful. Yep. Absolutely nothing wrong with it.